Alright, stop by the hardware store. Got a latch for the chicken coop. Because, gotta get that door done. Ran in the grocery store, got some cups for work. See if we can get this thing out of Fort. Oh, yeah, she's shifting now. Is that neutral? That is not neutral. Alright, we're out of four-wheel drive. Last part of our trip. Ease on into work. And we're in two-wheel drive. Take her slow. Hopefully this hood doesn't unload on my windshield and make me blind. Alright. Hopefully that tire doesn't come off the beach. She's a little low. Oh yeah. Can't see nothing. Uh-oh. There's a BIA police unit, so hopefully we don't get pulled over. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. Nobody in front of me. Across the four-way. Third gear, we should let her sit there for a while. Not trying to break any land speed records in town here, just trying to get through town. The old chop shop is warming up, even though the heater blower isn't hooked up. We'd be cooking by now, but I've got to rewire the switch on that. I was just hot wire them with a switch, but apparently I should do a better job. Wires come loose down below. I don't think I have taillights either, so good thing we're not getting pulled over yet. Alright. Cruising down the road. Throwing a snowstorm. Somebody's grandma's tailgating me pretty hard, so that's okay. That's alright. It's a beautiful day. And no reason to complain. Things are going well. Alright, if I could just keep this pace. Alright. If I could just keep this pace all the way, ease her into work, without this hood letting loose. Nope, there goes a piece. Alright, still doing good. I should not shift out of third gear, but I'm going to. I grab one more. There she is. You can hear the old clutch pedal squeaking. Alright, the good news is the snow is pretty wet and pretty frozen, so she might hang on there. We only have about a mile and a half to go. So if I could just keep her out of the ketchup and not hit 50 miles an hour, this hood drift might hang on all the way to work. And then maybe we can deal with it later. Or maybe it'll just melt off in the parking lot. Make her the maintenance man's problem. Oh, she's coming apart. I mean, it's like waiting for an avalanche to happen, but in your face. Alright. Well, I see the turnoff sign. And having a good time. So far, so good. Oh, I just saw another little piece fall off the old avalanche hood. Avalanche. This is like the old school avalanche. Okay. Bringing her in. Grandma's still tailgating me. I got no tail lights, no brake lights. Whip the corner. Better get her out of fourth gear. Try third. Oh, that's a smooth shift. Alright. pulling up. I'm a little late, but I'm still on time. If that makes sense. I can. Ooh, there's a coffee cup on my dash. That's that's good news. Get into work, brew that first pot of coffee, chat it up, get the day going. That's pretty excited actually. I've been off for a few days, so good to be back. All right. Wow, we made it, folks. If we can get this thing parked, we are we are a okay. And we're winning tallest pile of snow on the hood in the whole parking lot. So that's got to be some kind of a. This guy's not in his normal parking spot, so I'm gonna take it. Blend right into this snowdrift. People won't even know I'm here. Shut her down. All right, that was great. Signing out.